Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, sisters. I'm about to, based on a request, do a short video about how to actually get to your pages in the Mus'haf, right? Usually when I teach the white book, I try to teach the numbers because you're going to need to know these numbers from 1 to 10. So the way I was taught, okay, is basically I would do a line. Like, first of all, I put the numbers on the left. So this is 0, 1, then you have 2, then you have 3, then you have 4, 5 is a 0, 6 looks like 7, 7 looks like a V, 8 is upside down, 9 is the same. Hold on, can't, the mouse is not working with me. Okay. All right, come on. Okay. So 9 looks like, 9 looks like this. I mean, it's just like the regular 9 that we have. My mouse is not cooperating so well. Okay, and then 10 is like this. Okay, so what I did, I was giving all these numbers, and then I did a line of each. When I did a line of each, by the time I got to the end, I knew the numbers. So this is what I advise you to do, is take, a piece of paper, write all these numbers to the left like this, and just keep copying. Like 0, maybe you don't need to do 0, you don't need to do 1, but maybe do the 2, right? Do the 2 like this. Just keep doing 2 all the way, right? And then you're gonna do 3, right? 3 looks almost like a scene with a thing that goes down. 3, okay? And then 4 looks like a big E. That's the way I see it. 4, right? And then 5 is the circle. 6 looks like 7, like I said. 7. So you just keep doing them. 7 looks like, so this is 6, sorry. 7 looks like a V, so that's 8 is upside down V. 9 is like the way we have, and then 10. The numbers in Arabic, they follow the same order as the numbers that we know. So in Surah Al-Kahf, for instance, if I tell you that Surah Al-Kahf, if you're in the Mus'haf, I'll give you the page number. I should have had it open. No worries. Here we go. So if I tell you that Surah Al-Kahf is page number this, right? This and and this. Okay, so let's look over here. So this is 0, 1, 2. So this is 2, 9, and this is your 3. So it's page 293. Okay, so you once you know these, once you know 0 to 10, then you can go to page 400. You can go to page 500. Okay, so for you to test yourself, go to Surah Al-Baqarah and look for ayah number, this ayah number, and tell me in WhatsApp what number that is. Okay, what ayah it is, right? To see if you got it. Also, I'm gonna tell you to another exercise to see if you got it is I'm gonna give you another one. I'm gonna tell you to go to page this page here, and tell me which surah. So tell me which ayah this is. Okay, this is ayah, and tell me which surah this is. Which surah is on this page here. And so once you have that, another thing I just want to add is that for the ayat number especially, you're going to have an ayah like this, and the ayah number will be at the end in the circle. So, you know, ayah, let's say ayah 4 is going to be at the end of the ayah, right? So the ayah first and then the number of the ayah, right? Or if it was, let's say 1, it would be ayah 1, you have the ayah first, and then, so let's say Fatiha. In some mushaf, Fatiha first ayah is the basmala. So then let's say you have Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and then they will put 1. Or if they start with, if they consider that Alhamdulillah is the first ayah, then they will have Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, and then the number of the ayah, ayah 1. Okay, so I think this should really help, inshallah. So your homework is, this is homework. I'm just going to put HWK. Try to find these. Tell me what ayah number this is in Surah Al-Baqarah. So in Surah Al-Baqarah, you know, right after Fatiha, that's the beginning of the book, of the Mus'haf. So look for ayah, for this ayah number, and tell me what that is. And then in the book, look for this page number and tell me what surah this is. And hopefully you'll get it. But yeah, do these, especially for those that you know you're gonna have issues. You may not have to do it for 0, 1, and 9, but for everything else, like do this full line until you get it, right? So again, 2 is like this with a dot and then with a line going down. 3 is like double like this, and then the line. 4 looks like a big E. Then you have this is a 5. 6 looks like 7. 7 is a V. 8 is upside down. 9 is the same. 10 is 1 with the dots because the dot is 0. All right, I hope this helps, sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.